Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are very well. Students, in the previous chapter, we have discussed the three topics IT, ITs, and ICT. And the last was computer applications. We have discussed some applications. The rest of applications we will discuss today. So, student, next is IT in communication. First of all, what is communication? Communication is used to convey messages, ideas, pictures, videos, and speeches from one person to another person. A person who receives this must understand clearly and correctly. Modern communication makes use of the computer system. We use computers for email, chatting, FTP, telnet, and video conferencing with the help of internet. So, student, for example, you can see in the lockdown time, you make your communication to your friends, relatives, even you got your education from the school with the help of communication and by using the internet services. Next is IT in science and engineering. Student, scientists and engineers use computer for performing complex scientific calculation. They use the software like CAD, computer aided designing, CAM, computer aided manufacturing. These are the applications used for drawing, designing, and the simulation and testing the design. Student, what is simulation? Simulation, you can say, it is a virtual environment designed by the computer in which all the functions are done, which is not possible in the real time, but that could be possible in the computer. So computer are also used for storing the large amount of data, performing complex calculation, and for visualizing three-dimensional objects. There are some complex scientific applications which are not possible without the computer, that is rocket launching and space exploration. Next is IT in business. Students, computers are used in business organizations for payroll calculations, budgeting, sales analysis, financial forecasting, managing and maintaining stocks. Nowadays, a lot of business transactions happen through internet called e-commerce. Basically, e-commerce is what? Selling and purchasing goods with the help of internet is known as e-commerce. In the e-commerce, net banking is used. Through the net banking, there are the digital transactions, and these transactions done by the digital money. That monies are smart card such as credit card, debit card. These cards have a metallic strip on which the user's personal identification numbers and account number, which is stored and can be read when it is passed as special readers. Internet is also used in the different airlines reservation, railway reservation, etc. IT is also used in the different more other business like insurance, marketing. These business have the maximum operators used at the same time. Next is IT in marketing. In marketing, computers are used for advertising of product by using arts and graphics facility. Student, with the help of computer, we can design the advertisement. Even you can see in the online shopping, there are the different ads, attractive ads, by which people can attract and purchase that good. Next is IT in banking. Student, you can see in the bank, all the functions of the bank is done by the computer. So, computer is an essential part of the modern banking system. Every activity of a bank is now online. The customer data like customer data and transaction are recorded by the computer. RD, FD, they are the two types of money transfer account. These accounts done the all transferring function with the help of NEFT and RTGS. They are the two online transactions methods by using the internet. Next is ATM. ATM machine means automated teller machine. This machine is used for cash deposit, withdrawal, and you can see the current balance of your account. These all the ATM functions are done by the internet banking. Next is IT in insurance. Insurance companies keeps all the records up to date with the help of computers database. There are the different functions done by the company with the help of computer are like procedures for continuation of policies, starting date, date of next installment, maturity date, etc. There are the many online websites which also give the facilities of the insurance companies by using these all functions. Next is IT in healthcare. IT is used in the health sector in the various way like hospital management system. In this system, patient records are maintained and managed and hospital administration activities can be managed. The computerized machines are used for ECG, EEG, ultrasound and CT scan. The various of measuring instruments and surgical equipments are used to monitor patients' condition during the complex surgery. Expert system is used for diagnosis. Healthcare manufacturing companies also used to aid the production of diagnosis tool and instruments. Computers are an integral part of the laboratories and dispensaries. They are used in scanning and diagnosing the different disease. The use of IT in the diagnosis are next is number 1 computerized axial tomography. Using this machine, three-dimensional images of different parts of the body can be made. These images are helpful in the diagnosis of diseases. Number 2, MRI. MRI machines are used to give the digital impression of internal organs of the body by using strong magnetic fields and radio waves. The digital images are very helpful in the detection and in deciding the treatment of the disease. Number 3, ECG. The machine ECG basically used to monitor the heartbeat, and this machine records the electrical impulses and shows it in the form of a graph. Next is cardiac screening machine. This machine displays the physiology of the heart and displays the movement of the heart through the machine. It is possible to diagnose problem of the heart such as thinning of the veins and then recommend treatment. Next is blood sugar testing machine. This machine analyzes a sample of blood and determines the blood glucose level. Next is blood pressure machine. This machine is basically looks like a wristband and it is used to measure the blood pressure. Next is EEG. This machine is used to record the activities of the brain. The small electrical probes attached to the head receive the electrical pulses of the brain and display them on a computer screen. This device can be retrieve the data in both states where a patient is awake or asleep. Next and last is IT in government and public services. The government uses large-scale computer application in its daily operations and is actively encouraging e-governance practices like Digital India and e-governance initiative of Government of India are the best example of this. Government and non-government organizations as well as the international government agencies use the IT in computer and applications and communication and provide the various services to the people, that is called e-governance. There are the different web portals given by the government which are used by the peoples like income tax department, sales tax department, preparation of voters, preparation of PAN cards, Aadhaar cards, etc. Many of the government services are available online, like electricity bill, or you can say railway reservations, etc. So, computers are commonplace in the modern society and tend to make the previously laborious manual task of data entry and much simpler and quicker. Now, student, we have completed the IT applications. Students, there are two topics are left of this chapter. One is BPO and second is BPM. Yes, first is BPO services. BPO stands for Business Process Outsourcing. These services means performing business operations through an outside service provider. Performing business operations through an outside service provider. BPO also comes under IT services. So we can say student, BPO plays, or you can say IT plays a very useful role in optimizing the business performance. So there are different types of BPO services. Number one, financial and accounting services, tax and insurance services, e-publishing and web promotion, legal services and content writing, multimedia and design services, document management services, software testing services, and healthcare services. By these services, we can improve the quality of our business. Next is BPM. BPM stands for Business Process Management. Student, it is a discipline in operations management in which people use various methods to discover, model, analyze, measure, improve, optimize, and automate business processes. Any combination of this method used to manage a company's business process that is called BPM. There are the different types of BPM software used in the business to make the BPO services, that are Process Maker, Pega Platform, etc. Next is BPM industry in India. BPO service industry is doing exceptionally well in India because of the following advantages. BPO services provider in India provide the best services because of they follow the high quality checks to ensure error free and exceptional services by using the high tech hardware and software delivery. Second, Government of India is encouraging the BPO industry in India by providing the necessary infrastructure and logistical support. Third, BPO industry in India is highly developed and capable of delivering numerous types of BPO services in exceptional quality. Next topic, structure of the IT BPM industry. Mean to say, when an organization start a BPM industry, which kind of structures, or you can say which kind of parameters should have to follow that company. Number one, sector the organization is serving. Number two, type as well as range of offering the organization provides. Number three, geographic spread of organizations. Number four, revenue and size of operations. There are the four parameters when a BPM industry designed by the organization. There are the three types of BPM companies. Number one, multinational companies. Number two, Indian service provider. Number three, global in-house centers. So student, by this model, an organization the option to keep IT operations in-house and at the same time take advantages of expanding their global footprints and offering opportunities for innovation in a cost-effective manner. So student, we have completed the chapter. Now the assignment time. Yes students, in the previous session I have given 4 questions to you. I hope you have solved that. So next questions are, there are two types of questions. One are the short answer questions and second is practical exercises. So you will find out this question. In the next lecture, I will verify that questions. So thank you. Go through this chapter, and your PT1 syllabus is chapter 1. So prepare your chapter, go through your whole chapter, and every page having the very short answer questions. So find out that questions also. Okay, thank you. All the best. Safe at home.